Hi, we are going to dive into the lesson practice of lesson 75, which is talking about turns. Whew, here we go. I'm going to scroll down a little so you can see the words. They have some really cute names. Waukesha skated east, turned 80 degrees clockwise, and then continued skating. In what direction was Waukesha skating after the turn? So I'm going to put our north and then south, east, and west. So if Waukesha is skating east, so she's going this direction first, then she turned clockwise 180 degrees. So when we hear of 180 degrees, that automatically lets us know that she's going exactly the opposite direction. So we know that she's going this way, turning this, and now she's facing this direction. So that tells me that she is facing west. So she went from here, going this way, and she went over, and now she's going, oh, sad little pen, she's going this way. So she's made 180 degrees. Our next part is describe each rotation in degrees, clockwise or counterclockwise. Are you ready? A quarter turn to the left. So we're starting here, and I'm going to take I'm just going to take my line and pretend like I'm moving a door. So if I go a quarter turn to the left, like I'm taking that door and moving it on a hinge or going this way, that means I'm going to go take and move my hinge this way so my door is going that way. And that looks like I have moved it 90 degrees. And we put the little button right there to let us know that little circle means degrees. And we're going 90 degrees. We're not going around clockwise, we're going 90 degrees counterclockwise because we're going left. A full turn to the right. How does that work? So a full turn, they've started here and they're making a full turn. Our little door is going all the way around. And they stop back to where they started. So we know they're making 360 degrees and it is traveling clockwise. So it's going all the way around just like this. Clockwise. So let's write that down. A 3/4 turn to the right. Okay, here we go. Here's my, think of it kind of like a hinge on a door or a hand on a clock. We're starting here and we're moving it 3/4 of a turn. So this is a 1/4 of a turn. This is another 1/4 of a turn. And this is another 1/4 of a turn. If we kept going, we'd have another 1/4. But for 3/4 of a turn, it looks like we are going, and we're turning left. So we've moved 270 degrees counterclockwise. We're going the opposite the direction of the clock. Next one, and I'm going to put it over here for E. A half turn to the right. Okay, so let's try this. We're starting up here. This is our hinge, our door on our hinge, and we're going 1/4 turn and then 2/4 of a turn, which is a half turn. And when we do that, we can tell ourselves, oh, I have gone 180 degrees. So it's gone there, and it is going clockwise, 180 degrees clockwise. Finally, the F is kind of tricky. It's called, but we can do this. Describe the rotation that would position triangle 1 on triangle 2. So we want to move triangle 1 over here to triangle 2. And I'm just thinking, if we rotated triangle 1, if we moved it and we turned it like this and we kept going, and then we kept going with this side, we moved this side over here. Whoops, I'm off my drawing pad. We kept, so I'm going to erase this. Whoa. Erase, erase, erase. Come on now. Ah! Undo. Whoa, I am making a mess. Okay, guys. My eraser is not turning on. Ah! Okay. Well, we're going to bad trying to erase. We just know that we're moving it this way. Okay, so we move our, think of our triangle, the long edge of this triangle right here. We move it up 90 degrees. We move it another 90 degrees. I think we move it up 90 degrees, and then we move it again 90 degrees. I think we will be on top of the second square. So if we go rotating it 180 degrees clockwise, I think we'll have it. I'm going to check. Yeah, 180 degrees clockwise. Now, we could also go counterclockwise, and it would be, I think we would come up with the same thing. If you were to take a actual triangle and rotate it around, you would find that it could go clockwise or it could go counterclockwise. Sorry about the crazy mess. I know that your notes are going to look a lot better. Great. Good luck on the homework. Thanks for sticking with me. Have a great day.